Myself, M. Arvind of CSIT, going to discuss my Tech Talk topic of annotation using content and querying value. If we see the introduction, many systems do not have the basic attribute value annotation that would make a querying feasible. Annotation that use attribute value pairs require users to be more principled in their annotation efforts. Users need to have good idea in using and applying the annotations or attributes. Even if the system allows users to annotate the data with such attribute value pairs, the users are often unwilling to perform the task. Such difficulties results in very basic annotations that is often limited to simple keywords. Such simple annotations make the analysis and querying of the data cumbersome. Users are often limited to plain keyword searches or have access to very basic annotation fields such as creation, date, size of document. Attributes includes in the CADs from form must have high content and querying values. If attributes used for annotation don't have a high content and querying values, then the visibility of the document would be low and searching of the document is difficult. And the aim of the document annotation will is to make document search as easy as possible. In this paper, we process CATS, collaborative adaptive data sharing platform, which is an annotate as you create infrastructure that facilitates field data annotation. A key contribution of our system is the direct use of the query workload to direct the annotation process in addition to examine the content of the document. Our aim is to prioritize the annotation of document towards generation attribute names and attribute values for attributes that will often used by querying users, and those attributes values will provide best possible results to the user, where, wherein users will have to deal only with relevant results. If we see some of the related works, there are several systems that favor the collaborative annotation of object and use. Previous annotations or tags to annotate new objects. They have there have been significant amounts of work in predicting the tags for documents or other resources. We argue that our approach is different as compared to a traditional approach, but by assigning annotation to documents will help in improving faster efficiency in searching. If you see the proposed information extraction algorithm is algorithm we use to extract the contents of text files. Following figure shows how information takes place. It starts with select the text file, then pricing the file, then upload the file, then assign attributes names with their values to the file. Our goal is to suggest annotation for a document. Select a file, praise the text file, ignore stop words from it, and count frequency of high querying keywords, which will be important for content-based search. Maintain frequency count of these keywords approaching in only single document. Upload the file onto the server. Then fill all the annotation which are relevant to document, which can be useful for query based searching. For example, year equal to 2012, location equal to Nasik, author equal to Bill Gates, etc. If you see the algorithm, enter the queries for retrieving the document. Example, location Nasik and year 2012. Split the queries and pass it to the database for retrieving. Check all the related results and show the related results to user. For much efficient and accurate results, user should try to enter maximum queries, then they can. If you see the if you observe the results, following are the experimental results of our implemented system. Enter category name, select a category and select the text file and upload the file or document. And publisher has chosen the file imp.txt for uploading. Here, after uploading the document is praised where stop words are ignored and high keywords are stored in database. If we observe the figure, name, value, and type. Here the given attribute name, attribute value, and the type. Attribute name is year, and the attribute value is 2012, and type is a number. Here they are given some more examples. After uploading the file by an publisher assigns an attribute name, domain, and its respected values and type, data mining, and text. If we observe that search text facilitating mining.txt, facilitating document annotation using content and querying value data mining 2013 Edward J. Lewis. imp.txt. From this figure, we can understand the content-based search example performed by end user. The reviver enters the word facilitating, and all documents containing the word is shown. If we observe the query name, query value, and query type, year 2012, number, author Suresh, text. Here's they are given some query values and query names and query types. Fill list of attributes or annotations, their respected values and types can be seen by end user where he can use these values for query based searching. From this we can understand this is an example for a query based search where users enters attribute domain and its repeated value, data mining, and the repeated files are displayed. From this figure, another example of query based search. Here users enters to query, domain equal to data mining and author equal to Akshay, which gives much accurate and distinct results. We have implemented this application using ASP.NET, using C for front-end designing, and SQL Server 2005 as back end. We have used ADO.NET technology of Microsoft to link front end and back end in our application. Existing systems which are using attribute value pair for document annotation mostly use either content value or querying value. Using both content and querying value results better, as described in query workload can be used for finding query value as an attribute. I'll conclude by saying we presented two ways to combine these two pieces of evidence, content value and querying value. The main advantage of our application is mainly that when users perform querying based search, they could get minimum and distinct results where it could be easy for retrieval. By using these techniques, workload of application can reduce by large amount. Also, given the fact the efficiency of searching will be faster because of using the query based searching technique. Query based searching will be the future in information retrieval, as this searching technique may be applied on other file formats like docx, pdf, xml, etc., which can give users better, faster, and accurate results and will also increase the performance. This application can surely give a huge boost to mainly in text mining, which can be thought of as an changing trend or technology. With this, I conclude my topic. Thank you.